answer this question paper 11, question 2 of May-June 2021. It says the sum of the first 20 terms of an arithmetic progression is 405. So it is the sum, okay? First 20 terms. So therefore that is your S20 is equal to 405. And the sum of the first 40, the sum of the first 40 is equal to 1,410. The question is, find the 60th term of the progression. Take a look. We're not looking for the sum of 60, but 60th term, that is u sub 60. And if when it comes to your mind, u sub 60 is equal to the first term plus the 59 times your d. Okay, because remember, it is equal to u sub n is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So with this one, you need to find the value of the a and the d. Okay, so because we need to find the a and the d, there are two variables. Therefore, you need to figure out there should be two equations. And where will you get that equation? This equation 1 and equation number 2. So you need to remember also these two formulas here. So because we want the a and the d, therefore we need to use formula number 2. So S20 is equal to 20, your n is 20, all over 2 times 2 times a, we do not know, plus 20 minus 1, so that's 19 times d. Okay, that is equal to 405. And then this one is 10 times 2a plus 19d is equal to 405. So 2a plus 19d is equal to 40.5. This is now your equation number 1. We need to find equation number 2. It says S40. So 40 over 2 times 2a. So 2, we do not know the a, plus n minus 1. So that is 39d. That's equal to 1,410. So this is going to be 20 2a plus 39d. That's so huge. 39d is equal to 1,410. So therefore your equation number 2 is 2a plus 39d. 1,410 you divide by 20. Divide by 20 both sides. So cancel. So this is 70.5, right? So this is now 70.5. So this is now your equation number 2. So what we're going to do is to solve that simultaneous equation. So let's try to write it down. So 2a plus 19d is equal to 40.5. 2a plus 39d equals 70.5. So as you can see, these two are the same. So we can cancel it. We can subtract. Let's say I would say equation 2 minus equation 1. This is my 1, that is my 2. So 2a minus 2a is 0. 39d minus 19d. So that's 39d minus 19d equals 70.5 minus 40.5. So 39d minus 19d is 20d. And then 70.5 minus 40.5 is 30. So therefore d is equal to 30 over 20 equals 3 over 2 equals 1.5. So the d is 1.5. Now we need to find the a. How shall we find the a? We need to use any either equation 1 or equation number 2. So we need to plug in the, I think you can do it now by yourself. So what you're going to do is just simply 2a plus 19 times 1.5 is equal to 40.5. So you have there 2a is equal to 40.5 minus 19 times 1.5. Then a is equal to 40.5 minus 19 times 1.5 divided by 2. Okay, now you know the a, you know the d. Just simply plug in into this, okay, then you will get the correct answer. So basically, just continually compute. The thinking process is that since you're looking for the 60th term of the progression, this is the formula for that. So in your mind, you need to think, oh, I need an A, I need a D. I know the sum. I have two formulas. Which one am I going to use? I will use formula 2 because I need an A and I need a D. Okay? Then just play with it. Okay? I have no calculator here, so I don't like to compute that much. So that's end for this very short tutorial.